Good afternoon to all. Let us revise the chapter number 16, that is perimeter and area of plane figures. Chapter number 16, that is perimeter and area of plane figure, doing some multiple choice type question. Area of triangle, using area of triangle, area of triangle formula is half base into height. If base given, height given, you have to apply area of triangle half base into height. By Heron's formula, area of triangle, that is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over, where S is the semi-perimeter. S is the semi-perimeter, means sum of three sides by 2, that equals semi-perimeter. That means 2S is equal to perimeter of the triangle is equal to 2S, which is equal to sum of three sides, A plus B plus C. And S is the semi-perimeter. Using Heron's formula, the area of triangle, if three sides given, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root over. These two formula you have to apply, and in case of equilateral triangle, the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side whole square. Just see how to solve the multiple choice question, that is exercise 16b up to 16b, multiple choice type question MCQ. Question number 1. The base of an isosceles triangle two sides are equal, 19 given, and its area given 152. The height of the isosceles triangle will be how much? The height formula is what? Half base into height. Area formula is half base into height. From there you can find the height. Let's see the calculation part I am showing. There are 4 options given, which is the correct answer. Area of triangle formula is what? Half base. Base of the triangle, isosceles triangle given 19 into height. Area given how much? Area given 152 into 2 divided by 19 will give you height of the triangle. Just you have to simplify of your own. You can get the calculation part. 152 by 19, then multiply 2. Just see. 19, 8 into 2. Therefore, its height of the triangle is 8 to the 16 centimeter. Okay. So, which is the correct answer? 16 centimeter. C is the correct answer. B, number 2. The base of a triangle is 12 centimeter and corresponding height given 8 centimeter. The area of triangle formula is half base into height. The half base equal to how much? 12 centimeter and height given 8. Let me write 1 by 2, 12 into height, that is 8. 2, 6, 8, 6 is 48 centimeter square. 48 centimeter square. Just one discussion. If the area of an equilateral triangle given 16 root 3 centimeter, the length of the side. Area of equilateral triangle given, area of equilateral triangle formula is what? Root 3 by 4 into side whole square. That means 16 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. The root 3 cancel. 16 4 is 64 is equal to a square. Therefore, a means 64 root over, that is 8 centimeter. The side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. The area of the length of each side will be 8 centimeter. D is the right answer. The perpendicular side of a right angle triangle. The perpendicular sides of a right angle triangle are 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The area of triangle formula half base into height. The perpendicular sides means the containing a right angle triangle. One is 4 perpendicular, another base is 5. 1 by 2 into 4 into 5, that means 10 centimeter square. Okay. The number 5 question. The diagonals of a rhombus given 14 centimeter and 11 centimeter. The area of rhombus is half base into half sum of parallel sides. Area of rhombus, diagonal of rhombus given 1 by 2 d1 into d2. Area of rhombus formula is what? Area of rhombus formula is, see, I am showing, area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 d1 means 14, another is 11. 2 7 11 7 is 77 centimeter square. The meter given 11 into 7 77 meter square. Okay. D is the answer. Number 6. Question number 6, you say what is given. Area of parallelogram to 294 meter square. If the length of base is 21 meter, the length of its corresponding altitude, base into height. The area of aileron formula is base into height. Just to see what is given here. Area means area, that is base into height. Here area given how much? 294. Base given 21 divided by 21 will give you height, corresponding altitude means height. Just to see, 21, 1 is 21, 84, 21. You have to divide actually. The result is you have to 21 is 21, 1 is 21, 8 is 84, 21 4 is. Therefore h is equal to corresponding altitude is equal to 14 meter. Number 6 answer is the 14 meter. Okay. The perimeter of a rhombus, perimeter means all the sides, sum of all the sides, 52 given. Each side will be 52 by 4, that is 13. If one of the diagonal of a rhombus is 24 centimeter long, then area will be how much? First of all, see, rhombus means all the sides are equal. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. Each side will be how much? 52 by 4, that will be 13. Each side will be 13. And if one of the diagonal of a rhombus 24, you know diagonal bisect is at right angle. 24 means this will be 12, this will be 12. O is the point of intersection. That means other diagonal will be 13 whole square minus 12 whole square. 13 whole square 169 minus 12 square 144 root over. That is 25. 25 root over is coming 5. That means 10. 5 plus 5 10. Therefore you are getting diagonal 10 and 24. Area will be how much? Area is equal to half d1, that is 10 into d2. Other diagonal is 24. 2 12 is 120. Just see 120 centimeter square. Therefore area of the rhombus is 120 centimeter. B is the right answer. Number 8, last question. If the diagonal of a rhombus are 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter, the length of the side, the rhombus, in case of rhombus diagonal bisect is at right angle, that means one of the side will be 6.5 is what? 8 whole square plus 12 half is 6 whole square root over. 64 plus 36 means 100 root over is 10 centimeter. Okay. The length of the sides of the rhombus will be 10 cm. Which is the correct answer? Number 8, correct answer is 10 cm. In this way, the multiple choice question I have completed from number 1 to 8. Chapter number, that is area of the plane figure. Okay, using area of triangle. Area of triangle means area of rhombus, also area of plane. Thank you for today's class. Next day I'll do more sums.